Hello my friends and welcome. So if you recently rebranded, changed your product focus, or just want to update your online store's identity, changing your store name on Shopify takes only a few clicks. Let me show you. Okay, so first I show you where to edit your primary store name inside your admin panel. So you just log in into your admin, of course, and then in the bottom left, you just go to settings right over here. And in here, guys, you either can have store details section or just to be sure that you're on the general tab. And in here, as you can see, where we have this store contact details and my store, click here and you'll be taken to this screen. And in here in this top field, as you can see, you can just go ahead and type in your new store's name. So for example, I'll just go ahead and delete this and I will say, for example, my top store is just a dummy name, right? Then when you're done, don't forget to save the changes right here. Press save, white save button. And if you go back here, as you can see, now it's renamed to my top store. So as you can see, only a few steps, just like I said. Enjoy.